Keep the rhythm steady. Another one ready. Watch your hands with the split. Keep the pace up. Quality control on the greens. Medium grade, moving fast.
Hold, down, hold. Looks good, reverse out. Doors closing, cooling system engaging.
Doors engaging. Telecon. Parameters are locked.
Scanning is stable.
Initiating data transfer.
The water pressure seems just right. Check the flow rate on the display, adjusting the valve slightly for better rinse. Looking good, system is running smoothly.
Steam pressures are holding steady. Good. Let's adjust the flow rate slightly to compensate for the batch size. Initiating adjustment. The flow rate is optimized on Unit 1. Adjusting Unit 2 to match. Clarity is at 90%. Proceed to valve adjustment.
Confirmed. Adjusting pressure now. The temperature is holding steady. Good, the consistency looks perfect.
The blend is at 41% and climbing. Looks like we're feeding well down the line.
The thickness is correct. Speed is optimal. Keep it steady.
Steam pressure optimal. Activating cooling sequence. Adjusting airflow to zone 3.
Keep the line moving smoothly. Adjust mold 15. Noted. Adjusting now. Keep an eye on the temperature. It's holding steady. Looks good. Consistent output across the lines. Checking the timer. Almost ready.
System speed adjusted.
Output steady.
Output steady. Monitor the cooling process closely now. Line 3 is running at full capacity. Scanner diagnostics are optimal. Increase gripper pressure on line 1.
Keep them moving to the weigh stations. Tracking confirmed, looks good. Check the intake on line 2. Adjust the feed rate slightly.
Flow rate is stable at 70 bar. Continue the pulses. Adjusting valve now.
Temperatures are stable. Airflow is optimized. Looks like consistent output, boss. Line 3 and 4 are stable, efficiency at 98%.
Leave it running.
Looks good, keep it running. Final check passed.
Keep them spaced evenly.
Almost there.
Check the seal on this lane.
Consistency is looking good on this batch. Agreed. The feed rate is perfect.
The line is running perfectly. Keep a close eye on the feed mechanism.
Looks good. Efficiency is up.
The data indicates a slight deviation.
Adjusting the parameters now.
Monitor the next batch.
Confirmed. System check is green.
Keep an eye on the tension. It's holding perfectly. Everything's aligned.
Parameters are good. Watch the alignment on the right. Adjusting now. Clear. Moving fast.
The alignment is good. Confirmed. Automation proceeding on line 4.
Keep an eye on the pressure valve here. Noted. Looks stable.
Keep the pace steady here. Yeah. We're on track with the current settings. Check alignment on the far line, please. Yeah. Alignment looks good from here.
Tension is at 2.0. Engaging sequence 4. Monitor the wrap quality. Looking good.
Pallet 4 confirmed. Pallet 4 acknowledged. Zone B is nearing capacity. Noted. Adjusting workflow. Pallet 73 is ready to move to Dock 3. Confirmed. Sending to Dock 3 now. Scanning complete. Correct manifest.
Pallets are ready on Dock 5.
Confirmed. Dock levelers are adjusting now.
Keep it straight. Easy, easy, down. Align the side. Perfect. Back it out. Next one's coming.
Shipment confirmed. Seals are good, driver. Proceed with departure. Copy that. Pallet 13 is ready. Copy that. Moving to storage.
Check inbound lane 6.
Zone S is optimized. Adjusting Zone B5 to match. Confirmation initiated. System fully synced.
Keep them coming. Top right. Almost done here. Right. Perfect fit. Keep them coming. Got it. Watch your step. Clear. Next one. Almost done here.
Looking good.
Looking good over here.
Yeah.
Just need a few more on the top.
Perfect.
Perfect.
I think I'll try this one today. Okay. You can put these over here.
This is really delicious. Glad you like it.
Line 1 production is stable.
Monitoring line 3.
Robotics engaged on packaging. Status green.
The stacking sequence is on schedule. Good. Maintain the pace. Looks efficient from here.
Look at all these options. Which one should we get? This one looks yummy.
Just to be clear, not all instant noodles are made from worms. This is a specialized protein process, not the industry standard. Just to be clear, not all instant noodles are made this way. And if you enjoyed seeing the full process, don't forget to subscribe for more.